are you today? I am so glad that you're here. If we're meeting for the first time, my name's Dawn from Just Doing My Best. I'm 57. Today we're going to put some makeup on. This is a simple get ready with me everyday makeup winter edition. If we're meeting for the first time, you can find me at Just Doing My Best over on Facebook or Instagram. If you've never seen one of my makeup videos before, I have very oily skin, even at 57. And this is not going to be a technique video. This is just going to be my makeup in order. I will list everything that I'm using down in the description. Go over here in the corner, hit the word more. You can click on it. It will expand and you can find everything down there. I always start with an under eye balm. That just really hydrates the under eye area so concealer and all doesn't settle into the fine lines. Today, the foundation that I'm going to use is Revolution Skin Silk. I love this. It's very hydrating. It's a light to medium coverage. This is one of my absolute favorites. If you want to watch an entire foundation tutorial, you can watch this video here, and I'll try to link it at the end as well. I'm not going to start out with a primer or anything today, but I am going to start out with a setting spray. I'm trying a couple of new things today. This is the LA Girl Pro Perfect Oil Control Setting Spray. Been trying this out for a few days. So far, I think I like it. On the days that I don't start out with a makeup primer, I usually spray my skin first. So skincare's on. Now I'm going to spray my skin with a setting spray. You don't have to. Very oily skin. My makeup needs something to give it staying power. I always start out with foundation on the back of my hand and work it into the brush. And in this Skin Silk, I use the color F5. After foundation, I go in with color corrector. I'm actually using a color corrector from the same brand, Revolution, and I use light to medium. And if you want an entire concealer video, how to get your concealer to look really great all day long, even on mature skin, you can watch this video next. The concealer that I'm using is the Catrice True Skin. And I also put this on the back of my hand and just pick it up from there. Once my foundation and concealer is on, I like to give it another quick spray of setting spray and then go over it with a little makeup sponge just to pick up all of the excess. Not only does this step help with longevity, but it also helps pick up all of the excess, which leads to less creasing later on in the day. Next, I'm filling in my brows, and I'm using the NYX Lift and Snatch Brow Tint Pen. If you've been here before, you know I'm your budget beauty bestie. I like to keep things as affordable as possible, and so this is absolutely one of my favorite brow products. Because I'm super oily, I am going to go in with a little bit of setting spray, and my favorite setting spray is from Morphe. It's the Morphe Bacon set, and I love the brightening pink, but they also have a translucent one also. If this is helpful, I hope that you'll come over and find me on Facebook or Instagram at Just Doing My Best. I share a lot of makeup tutorials and tips and some of my favorite products over there as well. Before blush, I like to go in first with a bronzer. Gosh, I'm losing so much color in my face, I swear. At 57, I feel like once I went over 50, like every birthday is a new surprise. I just have so little color in my face now. The bronzer just gives me a little bit more life in my skin, and that way I look healthy before I even go in with my blush, and then I'm not too heavy-handed with blush, and I don't want to come out looking like a clown. While I'm applying my bronzer, I would love for you to let me know in the comments your favorite drugstore makeup product. I'm always looking for something new to try, and I share a ton of drugstore products here, so I would love to know what some of your favorite drugstore products are down in the comments. I'm also going to use bronzer as my eyeshadow above the crease. So if you ever want to get above your crease, be sure that you're applying this with your eyes open. For my eyes, I'm going to line them above and partly below with these L'Oreal eyeshadow sticks. I have them on the top, I'm going to use Magnetic Bronze, and on the bottom, I'm using Celestial Taupe. Not a lot, just a little, super easy, just to give myself a little bit of definition. I feel like I need just a little bit more color, so I'm going to add a little bit of a cream blush. And this is a really pretty one, also from Catrice, and I think this color is called Radiant Honey. If your blush fades throughout the day, try layering just a hint of a cream blush under your powder blush. So now this powder blush is from Catrice. If you've never tried anything from Catrice, and I will link them on Amazon, most of their products are under $10. Definitely such a good value for a really good quality makeup product. I always spray my face at the end of my makeup look with setting spray again. But before I do that, I like to apply my lip liner. So today, this liner is from Morphe, and this is the color Wifey. It's a really neutral, cool toned pink. Now this makeup will last all day long. The lipstick that I'm going to wear today is a Revlon color, and it's called Bare Affair. I have really liked the Maybelline Sky High mascara, but I got some in some cool colors. And this one is a burgundy color. Thought this would be fun to try today. The color is pretty. It's not too in your face, which is fine for me, but it's a little different, kind of a little bit more different than a brown. Perfect for what I'm wearing. I think I really like this. If you enjoyed this super simple Get Ready With Me winter makeup edition, then I hope you'll like and subscribe. I tried to keep everything under $15. I so appreciate you being here. And if you want to see more makeup tips and ideas for our mature skin, watch this video next. Go out today and be blessed and do your best.